Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with Power and Device Manager open. This prevents interruptions and keeps system state intact. Once Device Manager is visible, expand sound, video, and game controllers and identify the active audio device. Note its name and vendor. Right-click the device to reveal update driver and properties. This is the first actionable move because it narrows options and shows driver details. Make sure to record the current driver version under the Driver tab so you can revert if needed. You now choose how to update. Automatic Search taps Windows Update while Manual lets you use a vendor package. If you downloaded a driver from the manufacturer, extract the ZIP and choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Point to the extracted folder and let Windows install. Once done, watch the progress and accept any prompts. If using a vendor installer, run it as administrator and follow on-screen steps. Installers often tighten dependencies and register codecs the device manager route may miss. You finish by restarting the PC so the new driver initializes and audio services refresh. After reboot, test playback, microphone, and output routing. Make sure sample rates and exclusive mode settings in sound properties match your use case. If you see a problem or error icon in Device Manager, open Properties and use Rollback Driver immediately to return to the previous version. One key troubleshooting tip: boot safe mode and uninstall the driver completely before reinstalling if rollback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.